Hey folks, it's Matt here from Wheaton, and today we're taking a look at our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. This Grand Caravan comes in billet silver as well as the 7-passenger configuration and equipped with the 3.6-liter V6 engine. As we take a peek inside, you can see it comes with the gorgeous black leather interior and also comes equipped with such standard features as navigation, dual-zone air conditioning, third-row seats, split folding seats, rear vision parking camera, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. As we take a peek into the rear here, you can see our second row comes with the split captain seats, and the third row is equipped with the split fold bench seats. Also direct your attention to the roof here, you can see the DVD entertainment system. As we look into the rear here, you can see we do have deep storage behind that third row. If you ever need more space than seats, this vehicle comes equipped with the stow and go seating, able to transform both the third and second rows. If you'd like any more info about this Grand Caravan or any of our other used vehicles, you can call the number below or check us out online.